Ningnan Hospital is a branch of the People's Hospital of Ningxia Hui Autonomous Region. As the only Grade A tertiary hospital in local area, it provides high-quality healthcare sources among 3 million population. As the center of local medical institution, in order to enhance the level of diagnosis and treatment, Ningnan Hospital is equipped with MobileApex, which is an advanced and high-frequency mobile X-ray system that facilitates hospital departments with efficient, superior imaging diagnosis. Outstanding imaging chain combined with WiseEye intelligent system, remote exposure process control, and instant image preview makes subtle imaging details easily caught. With its incredibly slim structure, it can effortlessly pass through every department in the hospital. Retractable storage bin ensures the safety of detector and is easily to clean and disinfect. Inductive button brings people with silky mechanical operation experience. Widely used in different hospital departments and various clinical scenarios, MobileApex started a new mode of smart radiography and makes X-ray examination more secure and convenient. The installation of MobileApex in Ningnan Hospital will help to improve the level of medical examination in the remote mountainous region, empowering the healthcare strength of Northwest China. Browiner, care for the health and guard your life.